I'm getting flown out in less than 24 hours. I need some maintenance. Hair's dirty, nails not done. I need a wax. These, let's get started. Y'all ever don't wash your hair for a while and your scalp is sore? Oh my gosh, and Beyonce shampoo is the best. That shower was hot. I had to get up out of there because I'm hungry and I have a fainting condition. Got to go. Thinking braids in the front, curly in the back. Yeah. Been waiting on a wig to come to my house. It's supposed to be here today. I'm so happy because it was saying I was gonna come tomorrow. I don't have time for that. I need it today. If it comes tomorrow, I won't be here. Now we're gonna wax. Y'all, we gotta get this chin hair off. I've got my wax pot right here. I'll link it down below for y'all. We also need to do my underarms, so we're gonna do that as well. But first things first, let's get this chin. The chin is not that bad, okay? I forgot. Oh, this kind of hurts a little bit, hold on. This is the pre-wax to cleanse the area. I use translucent powder. You're not supposed to. You can get some baby powder, but I don't have any. And I put that all over my underarms. Yeah. Start up first. Pull the wax down. A bunch of waxing videos on my channel already, so if you need more details, y'all check those out because my waxing videos are very detailed. They're very actually easy, but I've been waxing my underarms for years. I don't think I'm gonna never stop because I love the results. Shaving, my underarms grow back like the next day. Just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. Ooh. Hold on. Ow. Those hairs was so thick. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay, let's go down and go upwards now. The opposite way. This shouldn't be too bad now that we already did the first strip. One thing I do hate about hard wax though, I love hard wax, don't get me wrong. But if I have hard wax and I have on clothes that I really love and the wax gets on my clothes, I don't know how to get the wax out of my clothes. It's somebody on TikTok knows, but I don't know. Oof, so much better. Okay, and then I just go in with some after wax so that my underarms are nice and moisturized and calm and soothed. This is how it's looking. Powder. Y'all, that literally, oh my gosh. Oh. I ain't been flued out in a while, so baby. Underarms are done. We can get that off my list. Bikini, I can't record that. So I'm gonna have to see y'all when I start doing my hair. Just got my package. It's like 12:30 and my wig is here. Also waxing everything. Everything is gone. Go to Chick-fil-A before I get started on my hair because I'm gonna be hungry. So let's just knock that Chick-fil-A out the way real quick. and then finish. My hair looks crazy. Well, it doesn't look crazy because this is my hair. But everybody and their mama's at Chick-fil-A right now. It's 1:47. I'm gonna go home by 2 p.m., eat my food, and start my hair. And I better be done by 3:30 or 4. I'm sorry. Last time the sauce wasn't in here, girl. So I'm about to start my hair. The details on the hair and everything like are gonna be in a separate video. I will link this hair down below, of course, the wig that I'll be using. Making a whole video that's gonna be separately just for the hair portion. Like, where's the details on the braids? How do I braid? How do I do this? How do I do that? It'll be in that video. He's flying me out and I know he like curls. So this is the picture of what I'm gonna do my hair like. Can y'all see? This is the inspo from Pinterest with the braids in the front, curls in the back. And I just sent him the picture. But I already wanted to do something because this is a collaboration that I need to do anyway, so perfect. Okay, I finished my hair. It's super tea. Just been doing a lot. What time is it? It's 4:42. Now it's time to do my eyebrows. I gotta really focus on that. So let's get into it. Okay, I think I finished all my maintenance. And shout out to Sarah for sending me a box of goodies right before my trip. Anyway, see y'all on the flight. Bloody waters,